And this is the stop zone that, the shorts have got to undo this 42 area. This was a prior area of resistance. Said that probably the 42 to 45 would be a stall zone. And if that's true, then the shorts really need to undo this 42 zone and keep coming. Cannot let this become a little double in here where they use this again for a leverage point. So T1 hit 44.25. That previous high had been that 44.5 zone. So this is a double top in there, but you really need to, and we said likely they'll try to bump stops, but probably the big boys won't come out. They're not going to feel threatened. But we now need to see the big boys use that power to keep coming this way. Can't be just a little, couple of point rotation. And this is a mirror day to that other, powerful day. This 28 support held beautifully. We bumped into this other top, so double top-ish. But the idea is try to bump stops. And I said today, I think they're going to try to take back some of the territory. So that bear flag that we had talked about, you can really see it. And what's not so evident earlier to a lot of traders now will probably become more visible. This double has been overtaken. This is so already the boys have been able to get back into the pocket here. And we said that was the goal today of the boys, get back in, take some of the territory. It's end of the month. And when you see the invisible hand at work, then you know Zeke's call is the right call. Once you come out with that first smoke 'em bar, boom. And that's where you win with a trailer, and that's where it starts to shape up. And so now we've got some consolidation on the high side of it. And this is the only way you can play. If you like the short side and you think it's going to roll over again, you have to be willing to wait, be patient, find the next level, and then try to play the next level. In the meantime, you will miss a lot of good trades because, the long side, even in corrective markets, gets these sharp bounces out of nowhere. So that's why a good two-way trader says, okay, fine, if I'm going to short 42 to 45 and the market's down here at 28 or 30, I want to be buying. I want to try to get into that. I'm trying to get to the half gap and the gap trade and, okay, above the blue line. Fine. Yeah, this looks like resistance, but today I think they're going to try to take it out. Boom. And now you're on the top side of the blue line, and so this is really the line that you want to keep your eye on right here. Blue line, because that slope tells us what's going on. The wrecking ball trade now has to get underneath this 42 zone, has to come under the blue line and keep coming. And you've got a wrecking ball trade. Until then, no. And this is the idea of jamming the shorts. Keep an eye on the daily green line. We said that will be part of today's trading. All right, Peck. Go get them. And the primary trade was definitely won by the longs this morning, so this is a contra until we break the bottom. And month-end bias, drop them down and take profits. Doesn't have to be just because everybody wants to buy. good possibility that this is profit taking. And we've said over and over again, unless one side is being forced out, it won't come out. So down here, there's no reason to. But then as we start to encroach on a 4, 5, 6 kind of a trade, then there becomes more incentive. That's why squeezes work.